God wants you to know God is about to turn your waiting season into a sudden season of overflow. Sometimes the longest battles produce the quickest breakthroughs, and that is exactly what God is preparing for you. What felt like delay was actually God setting the stage for acceleration. The mountains melt like wax at the presence of the Lord. Psalm 97, verse 5. When He moves, obstacles collapse. Closed doors open and blessings flow without resistance. This next move of God will not be small. It will overflow into your family, your finances, your calling, and your peace. You won't have to force anything. God Himself is releasing a breakthrough that will arrive suddenly, abundantly, and unmistakably. If you're believing God for sudden overflow, type I'm ready or share this with someone who needs the reminder. God bless you.